Before we get started, just a few quick important installation notes. Apply our product only in temperatures between 50 degrees and 90 degrees. Do not worry about using a glass cleaner on the windshield just prior to applying our product. Pouch A contains our specially formulated Nano liquid glass pre-treatment product, which will clean your windshield. Installation requires only 3 simple steps. Hi, I'm Irina, and this is Nano Liquid Glass Protector. Step 1 is to open pouch A. Remove the towelette. Wipe the windshield horizontally, back and forth, making sure the entire surface is covered evenly. Step 2 is to open pouch B, Nano Liquid Glass Protector. Remove the towelette and wipe the windshield horizontally, back and forth, making sure the entire surface is covered evenly. Allow to dry to a slight haze, typically 2 minutes. Wipe the glass with a clean, soft microfiber or terry cloth towel to remove any excess product to leave a slick, streak-free surface. Important, make sure you remove all streaks. That's it, you're done. And now Nano Liquid Glass Protector will go to work and protect your windshield, offering you a safer driving experience. If you have any questions, contact us at www.nanoliquidglassprotector.com. Nano Liquid Glass Protector, clearly the best protection.